Hey everyone, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process YouTube video for my creative scrapbook. Today I'm working with the June main kit, and this gorgeous kit features the Vicki Boutin Where to Next collection. Also included in the kit is a die-cut ephemera pack from Echo Park Endless Summer. This really expands the possibilities for this kit. Not only can you scrap vacation photos, but those summer photos that you're going to be taking will be perfect. So I really wanted to use film strips again. I created this cut file myself. All I did is modify a cut file I had previously used a few months back, where I had two strips of 3 2.5 by 5 photos. Well, I decided I wanted longer, skinnier strips this time, so I decided I would go with 2-inch photos and use 4 photos instead. So I had a lot of people ask me for this cut file after my last layout was posted, so I actually am going to load this cut file and the previous one to my Dropbox so that you, my followers, can download it and use it yourself for your personal use. I really love using the negative strips on my layouts. It's an excellent way to use lots of photos, and I like having the mat in between them so that the photos don't run together. The photos I'm scrapbooking today are of a recent Key West vacation my husband and I took. We had planned to take this vacation when the COVID pandemic started. Now, years later, we took. I put some foam tape and recycled some chipboard behind my negative strips to pop them up and give them dimension. And then I'm starting to go through my die-cut ephemera. I'm using a flower on the left side of my layout. I pulled out the chipboard camera and the take a photo die-cut ephemera piece and placed those above my negative strips. I also pulled out the bicycle because in Key West, so many people were riding their bikes to get around. And I have a couple Echo Park paper die-cut ephemera sayings here, fun in the sun and palm trees, ocean breeze, that I'm thinking I want to use on here. But I am really wanting to find a title to put on here. And I found a Little Getaway Adventure on the sticker sheet, and I thought this was perfect. But because it's a sticker, I put foam tape behind it, and I used some baby powder to get rid of the stickiness on the back of the sticker, and then attached it with the foam tape. I have the bicycle peeking out above my title, and then there's a tall drink here that looks yummy that I have here on the right side of my negative strip above my title. I found a sticker on the sticker sheet that said sunshine and good vibes that worked well under the title, and another sticker that says on the menu that I put on my negative strip by the shrimp and fish tacos we found at awesome restaurant in Key West called Kayla Island Eats. I did do some journaling on my computer and printed it out on some cardstock and cut it into strips to place underneath my title. I am going to use a stapler to attach the Echo Park Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze die-cut ephemera piece in the upper right, and I'm going to add a chipboard flower and some chipboard gold dots all around my layout. My creative scrapbook has 4 kits they put together every month. Again, I am using the main kit featuring the Vicki Boutin Where to Next collection. They also have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, and an album kit. Check out the description below where you can buy this kit and download the negative strip cut file. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.